Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to repair a keyboard. I have been using this keyboard since 2005. It is 15 years old keyboard and this is very good keyboard. Some of the keys are not working properly of this keyboard, so I will repair it in front of you. Then let's enjoy. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Enjoy my video. This is the keyboard which I have to repair. I will open this keyboard with the help of this screwdriver. Let's start. This is the plastic sheet inside the keyboard which play the main role of key function, and this is rubber sheet which helps to keep when we press the keys. This rubber sheet push up these keys up. Now we will remove dust and carbon. This PCB board, it is called printed circuit board, which gives input to computer. Now we will remove carefully the dust and carbon from it. We also remove dust and carbon from this plastic sheet. Now it is the time to wash keys. Wash very cleanly these keys, and we also wash the rubber sheet. Let's see. Then we will dry it on sun rays. Now it has completely dried. We will adjust the button on it, some of the audio buttons, and we will pack it now very carefully. First we will adjust this PCB board, printed circuit board, on it, and after that we will adjust the plastic sheet on it. Let's see. This is the rubber sheet. We adjust at the button, and after that we will adjust the plastic sheet on it. This is the plastic sheet. We will adjust very carefully and attached within PCB. This plastic sheet is also printed circuit board. The circuits are printed on it. This is the supporting device which supports to plastic sheet and PCB board. So we will carefully adjust it. Now it has packed completely, and we will adjust it perfectly on it. Now this keyboard is repaired. I will connect this keyboard with the help of this device, because this is PS2 keyboard. This device convert PS2 slot to USB. See, now keyboard is perfectly working.